Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sell your crypto on Binance. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. And if you're new to Binance, or even if you have an account, you can go ahead and click on the links below in the description or in the comments. Use it to sign up or sign in, and you will enjoy a lifetime 20% fee discount and a $100 bonus. Now, going back in here, there are actually two ways. Okay, first, tap on your assets, tap on it. Now go ahead and tap on send. Now tap on P2P trading. Right here, you can just go ahead and select the coin that you would like to sell. For example, USDT right here. And in my USDT, I do have 7.84 USDT. So maybe I would like to sell everything right here, 7.84. And then just go ahead and tap on select payment method. Okay. As you can see here, there are no matching offer because it's just a small amount. Okay. So we're going to try P2P trading right here. Now, as you can see, we are currently in the sell section. So what you'll do is find a deal right here with the specific banking or payout option that you like. Okay, for example, Zelle or bank transfer could be your debit card, and you have a ton of options here as well. Let's say I would just like to use the bank transfer. So go ahead and tap on sell right here and type down the USDT amount that you would like. For example, I'm going to hit on all. And it says here, I can only pay out a minimum of 16 USDT. So maybe I'm just going to type down 16, just for you to see. Okay. Once that's done, go ahead and tap on select a payment method. As you can see here, payment option available for this specific buyer, okay, is bank transfer. So tap on the plus sign and then enter your bank or card details. Okay. Bank card account number, bank name, and some other details depending on the payout option. And once that's done, just hit on confirm. And at the next page, all you need to do is just tap on place order and just wait for it. And after that, you just sold your cryptocurrency on Binance. Now, the second one, the same steps apply, but it's going to home right here and tap on the search bar. Now go ahead and try maybe Bitcoin. Okay. Now scroll down, you'll find the correct coin right here. For example, under spot, we have BTC USDT. You're going to want to tap on it. Now you'll have the sell button in here. Okay. Now, if you want to, you can go ahead and use the slider to enter the amount, maybe 100% or all of your Bitcoin. Okay. And then just tap on sell BTC. Once you tap on it, once your Bitcoin is sold, you can now go ahead and check out your USDT balance. Okay, go to your assets and you should have it right here. That is it. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.